tornado counter rotator carpet machine. This is the latest and greatest machine in our arsenal of carpet care. Many of you have seen this, many of you have used this. We've done videos before on what this is and the science behind it. Well, I'm going to go over the actual machine. For those of you who don't have it, who need to know a little bit about it, we're going to go over some of the maintenance and things like that. So here, this is the front view of it. So you've got your solution tank here. It's easy to pour. Sometimes you can use a big brute and just get a gray bucket and dump your solution straight into it. Okay, comes with a power cord that's connected to the machine. There's a few things that you need to know as custodians on how to properly maintain this piece of machinery. Here we have two different settings of the brush. We have one, the transport mode, the other one is the operational mode. If you look down here on this mode, if the yellow lever is all the way down, it means it's in transportation mode. You're safe to be able to move it back. It lifts the brush up so that the brush doesn't get ruined on the ground. When you want to actually start cleaning the carpet, you flip the switch up, and that's in operational mode. On the other side of the machine, we have the brush level mode. So if we go all the way down with the brush barely sits on the carpet fibers. The further up we go in the setting, the further down the brush will sit in the carpet, and it's designed to brush the carpet. We don't want too much pressure down on the carpet fibers. We want it enough to where it's going to come through the fibers to push that solution down. You'll see on the back side of this, we have a sludge tray. Lift this up, this tray comes out. This is where it's going to catch all the debris and dirt and big chunks and things like this. The other side looks the same way, it's just where it sprays. These brushes, there's two different brushes and they counter-rotate each other. They're very easy to clean out. So if you push the little rod that's in the middle, it will come all the way out. You'll be able to take the brush out. This brush will need to be cleaned out regularly. This little dial right up here on the top of the handle is how you release the solution.
All right, so how this machine came about is we as a custodial department administration always look for the best ways to help you guys do carpet and to help us in our own jobs as well. We were able to meet with Shaw Carpet Company, who makes most of our carpet squares, because that's what's happening nowadays is carpet is being made in squares. It's easier to replace and to fix and things like that. They gave us the advisement to not bonnet anymore. Most of you saw that in our training that we did, but they said that there's a few different things. So when you put a bonnet on a buffer, the weight of it actually flattens those carpet fibers down, which we always thought opened the carpet fibers up to get the dirt. But they actually lay the fibers down, and they did all this science behind it and discovered that. So this is why we went to this brush. Not only does it void the warranty of the carpet, it also destroys the fibers of the carpet. So we as a custodian administration do not condone bonneting carpets any longer. No more.
The first step in proper carpet cleaning is to really get the carpet vacuumed really thoroughly. This can be done with two different machines. One, an upright vacuum with a beater bar. That's what we suggest in entranceways and on any matting to really get the dirt out. Because we don't have all these throughout all of our schools and it's not practical, you'll see the pig vacuum, our backpack vacuums. The carpet needs to be thoroughly vacuumed before you start cleaning any kind of. We have two different chemicals that we recommend using in our counter-rotating machine. First one is our heavy-duty pre-spray. Both of these chemicals are effective in our carpet cleaning. For those areas of cleaning that we're going to do, like in the summer or high traffic areas and heavy soil, we want to use this heavy-duty pre-spray. We're going to put this chemical in our water mix it to the proper dilution. We're going to use it in our machine to agitate the carpet and spray it, and it needs to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Once that's done, then you can go ahead and extract it. The other chemical that we have is our Enzyme Pre-Spray. This is for areas that have food, bodily fluids, urine, things like that. This is a great product to use as well.
The first thing that you will need to do is take the machine off transportation mode. If you don't do this, it will not function properly. It won't even move. Well, to do this, you just need to take it off transportation mode, put it in working mode, lower the lever down, and it will move itself. Next, you'll need to adjust the brushes to your desired setting, allowing the brushes to move smoothly through the carpet fibers. If the machine binds up and starts clicking and won't move, you'll know that you'll need to adjust those settings. Once the settings are adjusted, you can begin to apply the solution water to the carpet. Please make sure you maintain a steady flow. Make sure your jets are working the machine back and forth through the carpet fibers. For those heavy soiled areas, you may need to work the machine going in a different direction. You want to make sure that the carpet stays wet during that 10 to 15 minutes. You can do so, and you can tell by putting your hand down on the carpet. If your hand is still wet, you know it's good. If it's not, you need to reapply. Finally, extract the carpet using plain water in your extractor, as the chemical was already in the counter rotator. Ensure that all carpet is extracted. Proper drying of the carpet is essential, especially if it's during the school year and you need to have the carpet dry faster. Ensure that you have enough fans. Of course, after every use of the machine, you need to make sure it's properly cleaned. Remove the sludge tray, empty it out, rinse it out. Once you're done with that, remove the pin from the brush. Ensure that there's no hair or debris left in it. Clean off the drum. Make sure it's free of debris and hair as well. Proper maintenance of this machine will ensure the longevity of it.
Okay. This is the brush level. Okay, so the first, I keep saying.
Oh, we just broke it.
Okay, so when we used to start cleaning carpet, or when we clean carpet, those of us who've been around a long time, we're used to this. We're used to this nasty vomit. Something like that.